This is a picture from my home that I clicked yesterday evening. When I looked at it closely, I noticed something beautiful which I had to share. The clouds had formed the shape of a heart. The cosmos truly is so beautiful now. It loves all of us so deeply and unconditionally. It shows it to us also in its own subtle ways. The only difference lies in how we see it, whether we pause to notice it or we simply let the moment pass without noticing. It completely depends on us. The love is always there, equal, abundant, and pouring on every one of us. This is just a gentle reminder that I wanted to share, that we are all loved always in more ways than we can imagine. So, thank you, Cosmos, for loving us the way you do. Thank you so very much. In gratitude to you.